Pull up that tune the back, me I beg you, pull up that tune the back. Pull up that tune the back, selector, pull it from the top. That tune the at, that tune the at, that tune the at, and it no slack. Yeah man, this is John Niceness, and you're watching Kojak Country Lifestyle on YouTube. Seen? Yeah man, sweet.
Nice rain. June rain. If it was you, what would you cook when rain fall? What do you like to cook during the rain? Cecile, what do you like to cook when it's raining? Stone breeze in Ghana. When it's raining, what type of food did you enjoy? How about you, Joe, Commander Joe, in California? Say you're here like in the country and it's raining. What do you think you would cook? Marva Riley, what would you cook? Catty Chin, when it's rain, what would you like? Like rundown, aisle down, with some saltfish, coconut cooked down, all in one stew, or your salt mackerel in it. Some people might say soup. Others might say rice and curry chicken. Some might even say chicken back and white rice. How about stew peas? Anyone says stew peas? Vegetable? Who would like tea or fried dumpling or fried fritters? You know, they shake up the video when I come me laughing. When it's raining, you know, you have good appetite for name, you know. Can't name no food during the rain. Who says stew chicken? What about fried chicken? Barbecue chicken? Americans that say pizza or hot wings. Then like mac, like you call it pasta or something like that, or mac and cheese. Big Mac, that's the Americans. African people, they like crush yam. Them call it a certain name, and then crush the yam, cook the yam and beat it like into a mortar. I use a lot of eggs in it. That's what my friend them in Africa like to eat. Some people that like cooked breadfruit with salt, mackerel and banana and dumpling. Ginger in Georgia might like some curry goat. Some nice soft yam cook up and banana and dumpling. How about stew beef? Who has stew beef and rice? Some like pig's tail. I mean, I want no pigtail. Some like this pigtail is what you call it stew peas. Some people might want canned pork. You know, nice canned pork with a roast breadfruit. What would you like? What you think about that? What you said? Canned beef and rice. That you don't want in the area now. Or canned beef and rice. And next person just say, well, them that want sardine and some cooked dumpling. So that one I say no. Tin mackerel and white rice in the area. This brother here says up fry up chicken back. Chicken back and white rice. Wow. That not sound too bad. But I don't really buy chicken back still. Once, but I don't buy it no more. Wow. I saw you go and curry chicken neck, that brother you say. And that sister say curry chicken neck with some dumpling. Man up in New York say that. Up at G, someone just say oxtail. Why me can't afford oxtail now, Jamaica? Somebody say oxtail and now it's some nice rice. Let me that go upon. Wow. Somebody just comment and say let me that name of some good steamed fish. Well, that now you talk my thing. Good steam fish with a whole heap of yellow yam, cooked banana and dumpling. Big fat steam fish or tark or escobeche fish. Make sure you leave a comment and tell me the type of food in them rain area that go on. It's nice to have fun in the rain, my people. It's nice to have fun. Because you know when raining, you're hungry, man. Hungry, and please don't leave a nice comment because them video just to inspire and cheer up everyone. Thanks for watching. Big up from Jamaica.